Alright guys, you are welcome again to CryptoMall. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Binance, Bybit P2P, right? Mind you, there are a lot of platforms that offer P2P. We have Kukoin, we have Okex, we have Bitget, we have a number of them. Bybit is just like when Binance left Nigeria, we had to start using Bybit, right? But I consider Bybit and maybe Remitano as the one with much traffic again after Binance, right? So that's why I'm majoring on these two. You can check out, I will leave the link to the other platform so that you check them out and see and explore them. Meanwhile, I must mention that P2P arbitrage is not really what I'm doing at the moment. It's just like a little, maybe when I have when the market is not moving well, that's what I do. Personally, like I've been explaining to people who have been on this platform for years now, P2P is actually a strategy for the bear season for you to keep fit, because we are in the bull season. We are in the bull market. The bull market is crazy. Bro, this is bull market. You can't afford to be doing P2P. But if P2P, if you don't have anything doing or you don't understand crypto basically, why not? P2P is good for you. But while you are doing P2P, make sure you are bagging coins. Make sure you are bagging coins. I have dropped some coins before now that has done crazy and amazing, right? Now, the third thing I want to mention is that if you have been a merchant on Binance before, you must have given $1,000 security deposit, so you can message the CS, right? Message the CS, they will return your money to you, your $1,000 to you. Then you can use that one here on Bybit. Use $500 as security deposit for verified merchant. Even if you don't go to become a verified merchant, just use that $1,000 to trade daily and you'll be getting your cool money, right? So that's what I wanted to mention. And lastly, before I go to the main video itself, lastly, just like I said, we are in the bull season. You can't afford to miss the next 7 8 months. You can't afford to miss what will be happening in the crypto market. So I asked the other time on my WhatsApp and I said, should we have a group bag? And people responded well. So I'm actually launching a group bag, right? And what does this mean? It means that you will have, just like people, some people don't actually know anything about the pool season. They don't know anything about crypto, no knowledge. Even if I post coin, they don't know where to get them from. So what we are doing is we are creating a wallet and we are funding it with whatever you have is what you can come in. But of course, we have the list. Personally, I'm going with list of $500, and we are looking to have like $10,000. Right, once it's $10,000, nobody will be entering the bull bag again. Right, so is it more like a contribution and coming together? You have $500, you have this, and you want to invest in the bull season. Meanwhile, it's not a financial advice, and I'll teach you how to track the wallet, right? So once I'm bagging, I'll be using those money to bag the cryptos that I know and the coins that we do exceptionally well. So we'll bag it in those platforms. So you watch them yourself. It's very transparent. You can monitor the wallet from wherever you are. I'll send you the wallet address so you'll be monitoring it like that. And then when we sell off and do all the this thing, your percentage from the money will be sent to you. So that's basically about the bull bag. All right, so now that I have said all the rubbish I have to say, now what do you do now? If you are a customer, you just want to buy USDT, or you have USDT and you just want to sell. Meanwhile, if you have USDT and you want to sell and it's not on Bybit, all you have to do is come to your Bybit spot wallet. Meanwhile, remember I said that my link is in the description box. If you want to register for Bybit, register so that at least I can get some bonus. Go to Bybit, copy your maybe BEP20 address, go to your Binance, withdraw to it. Once you withdraw to it, you transfer to P2P, right? Once you transfer to P2P, all you have to do is come to this cell. This is by as a customer, right? Come to this cell. You can filter the amount you want to sell. Maybe you have $100 worth of USDT. That should be like 100 and something. So you 100 and something thousand, maybe 160,000. So you filter here and then you click any of these guys. Once you click any of these guys like this that you want to sell, right, you just click all, right? Like you see now, the one available here that I can sell personally is 98 point something 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 dollars, right? But I'm not willing to sell. I just want to show you. Then you see this bank transfer, click it, and then if you don't have a bank there already, you can input a bank, and then you click sell, right? And then once you click sell, you wait for the seller, the buyer, to send money to your account. And once you see that, that's not all oh. You have to confirm that you have sent the money. There's an option to do that, right? That's how to sell Bybit. Very simple. Then if you want to buy, maybe you have Naira in your bank account and you want to buy USDT, all you have to do is come here, the same thing, filter. Maybe you have 100k to buy in your account, filter 100k like this, confirm. Then all these guys are the ones you want to buy from, so just go to them and click. Of course, the cheapest is what you want to go for, right? Like this guy at the top, right? You click it. Meanwhile, I must mention that you should be watching all of this menu here, like this 99, this 98, that's their rating. Don't go to somebody that has below 75, 70 or 75 rating, like this guy. Don't go for this guy. No guy, you understand? So that is how to trade it. All you have to do is just click. Okay, this one has gone. You can see the traffic is building up on this platform. This one too has gone, right? Click, and then you put how much you want to buy, 100,000 naira, right? Okay, the minimum value is 100,000 naira. So you go like this, and then you buy. You click buy. Once you click buy, it will bring the person's account details. Copy. I don't want to click it because it will spoil my rating on the app. Copy the account details, go to your bank, transfer. And once you transfer from there, don't be scared. Come back here and click that you have paid the person, and then wait for him to confirm. That's all. And then your USDT will drop. Now, I must mention that your USDT will drop on your spot, on your funding wallet. All you have to do is just transfer from funding to your spot wallet, and then you are good to go. All right. And as many that are asking me that what is um how safe is it to trade um on Bybit? Well, I don't know. It's not my platform, right? It's not my. I'm trying to show you. Um, Meanwhile, this is okay. I think is actually not. This is a coin I'm researching. Why is it not going? Toshi is actually a coin I'm researching. So that might be a bonus for you watching this video. What's going on? I think all right. That should be the end for you. So is actually at your own risk. You trade on the platform at your own risk, right? I'm not liable for your loss, right? It is what I use. If you lose your money there, you don't come after me, but that is what I use. So let me just know however it is, if you are trading or if you have any other question, and if you want to be making profit from it, right? I made a video how to be the guy that is selling and buying here and making profit. I made a video about it. You can check it. Don't sleep on that video. Many people have been thanking me for that video, and I feel like many people are still sleeping on it. All right, till I come your way again. And if you want to be part of the bull bag, you can just message me 08071919214. All right, thanks for your time. Peace.